making mush slime. It's so awesome. But I have some glitter, but I don't know to open, so I think about how you do it. So now it's open it. Let's open another way. Which way this? This. Oh yeah, there's a plastic here. Oh, because you can open it like that. Yeah. Fine. And which one? You don't show the glitter. No? We have two slimes, but you even can put it together. Is that most fun? Yay! Got a blue color. Look at them. Let's get them order. Let me get the blue, my favorite one. Oh my gosh. My blue color is so cool. Oh my gosh, it's not really set, you know? Even it's painful for the kids, but mush time! Now squish and together. Now we can do bigger. No. You need to buy each. You need to buy each of these, and we can make a big one. And you can make. I mean, look at my star slime. But I just saw the color one height here, but it doesn't want to hide it. So now let's put it on the slime. Let's put the whole one. Let's mix it. Mix it. So pretty now, yeah? Oh my gosh. So pretty. So this makes 1 hour. Wait, that has to make 1 hour, no? What's that? No? Don't worry. So, bye guys. Have a lovely day and have another video. Bye.